How do we capitalize the cost of a work order? Most work orders are straight expense, but sometimes you want to capitalize the cost because you're using the work order to build an asset of some kind. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that. The first thing you need to do is you need to set up an investment type project. So if I go into project management and accounting and all projects, I'm going to go ahead and press new. And the key here is your project type must be investment. I can say this is parent project or investment work orders. And I'm going to go ahead and create. The next step, which will be the most critical step, is to link this in asset management. To do that, you go to asset management, under setup, go to work orders and project setup. Here, I'm going to say, anytime I create a work order of type investment, I want to use the new project that I just set up. And I will go here and choose that. Go ahead and save that. The next step, and by the way, this is all the configuration you need. However, let's go ahead and do an example. So I'm going to go into work orders, all work orders, and let me create a new one. My work order type is going to be investment. My asset will be one I've already set up, and my job type will be install. Now this part does not matter, but you do need something there, which is why I put that in. What you'll see right now is that the project ID, which can be found in this line details section, has automatically defaulted to the new project we just created and will have a type of investment, which is critical. So now let's go ahead and update this to be in process. I'm going to consume some very simple costs. So I'm just going to say this took me 15 hours of install time, and I consumed a few materials as well. So warehouse 11 and consumed 5. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post this. And up here, we'll see that that is posted. If I go into my project now, and just for fun, we look at our project statement and my actuals, you will see my total cost is $4,300. So now we want to capitalize this. To do that, I'm going to go ahead and create a fixed asset. And now you can capitalize just to a GL account, but given the power of Dynamics, it's often more beneficial to capitalize this to an asset. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to create a new one. And I'll say this is my group machine, newly created machine from asset management. And we'll see here, this is Mach 9. So if I go back to my project and I go to revenue recognition, now revenue recognition is most commonly used for fixed price, but the same logic does apply. I'm going to put this through October, and I'm going to choose cost to complete is 0, meaning no more costs, everything is done. Okay, and if I go into my WIP tab, sorry, if I go into my profit and loss tab, you'll see that there. And now under general, if I go into, I will choose that, choose my Mach 9, and I'm going to hit post. And then I'm going to press eliminate. And now that is complete. If I go into my fixed asset itself, and I look at my books, you'll see that this is now open and we have a consumption or acquisition transaction. And so this is now ready to be used.